Hey, we took a walk from Cape Clip Lighthouse the other day across Mast Bay in the direction of Betties Bay. This little peninsula sticks out into the Atlantic of Thorn Bay. And although the surroundings are absolutely splendid, they really are beautiful in this Cape floral region known for its proteas and ericas. I just thought I'd show you the result of some bushfire recently. It's summer now, so it's always good to have a timely reminder just of the dangers of reckless behavior in the bushveld. Please take note, where if you have to smoke, please extinguish it properly. But follow me along Mast Bay here to the point there. It looks like a peninsula just there at the bottom right. We are exploring that house down there. We're zooming in closer and closer. And please be kind to all the game and wildlife in the region. A tortoise cannot run as fast as flames. Look at that. Someone went to a great deal of trouble to build this. Wow. See, most people see a burnt out shell. I think I see opportunity.
You mean hold it up again?
Exactly.
Look like they had those timber logs that went through here.
True, eh? Up there, oh look at that.
Two geezers on the top. Sad. People used to live here.
Over there in the near distance is the Harold Porter Reserve in Betties Bay. Locally here in the front is Doringbaai. And middle distance there by the sand dunes is Silver Sands Bay. And there in the far distance, the Blue Mountains of Hermanus in Walker Bay.
It looks like it was just the house that burnt. Not the surroundings here. Maybe there was a fire in the house there.
We've had a really enjoyable explore over here. And now it's time to head back for a swim. The ocean's about 15 degrees. It should be quite nice and refreshing. Yeah, I need it. Flap. I need to cool down. It's way too hot. And that was once someone's dream home. That view towards Hermanus, eh? In Betties Bay. And another burnt out home. Seems to me that most of it still remains. There's the garage. Go bass! Please guys, let's look after our fynbos and our wildlife. Thanks so much for watching.